Welcome to the second part of the Ziranmen PiQuan tutorial. First, let's do a quick recap of the first tutorial. Pull your front foot back so that the heel points to your back foot's ankle. Push it then back forward with your toes pointing 45 degrees to the outside. And then step forward. For the last step, you have to step back with your rear foot as you would sit on a chair without pulling your front foot back. And now let's repeat. This tutorial's focus is on Zuan, or drilling fist motions. Imagine you are up-zipping your jacket. Just at your chin height, your fist should tilt forward. At the same moment as your rear foot steps forward, your rear hand also zips up and overlaps from the back over your other hand. The last opening will be the topic of part 3. Please pay attention that your hands and your feet are moving at the same time. 脚到，手到。